Now this video will guide you through step by step on how to purchase a share from Cowrywise platform. So if you want to buy a share from that platform, I'll walk you through step by step on how to do that. The first thing is to click on Cowrywise. This is the mobile application. So now once you might have signed up or created your own account before and you get it all verified, so you now log in depending on how you set your security settings. So now once you log in, at this point you now see that I have a total of 5,000 plus, and I want to use this money to purchase a share right now. So in order for you to purchase a share, you now click at the top where we have invest. So once you click on invest, you will now see investments. You see Naira fund. So if you want to buy stock, you now proceed to where we have NG stock, which is Nigeria stock. You click on that. So now once you click on Nigeria stock, you will now see the list of all the stocks here in Nigeria. For the sake of this tutorial, I want to purchase a share with Airtel Africa. So you now keep scrolling till you now see Airtel Africa. I think it should be at the top. So at this point, we have Airtel Africa here. Here is Airtel Africa. So you now proceed and you now click on it. So if you click on it, you now see that this particular share has been doing well for quite some time. If you want to see the overall performance of this, you now click on all at this point to see how the performance was. So if you check, the thing actually skyrocketed from this platform. It actually skyrocketed. If you want to see the price, you see then April this year, it was around 2,000 plus. So it shows that it is something that is actually doing well. So if you want to buy this, you now proceed to click on buy. Then you now click on got it. So as you can see, this is the exact amount of the share. This is the amount right now, 5,801 naira 40 kobo. So if you want to do that, if you want to set limit, you now proceed and you click on this set limit. Now let me explain what set limit means. It means that if you want to like program your buying to initiate when the share is around 5,500, you will now use this set limit option. But in my own case, I want to buy at this particular price right now, so I will now go with 5,900. So I'll click on 5,900, and it means the estimated share at this point, it is 1 share. So if I have more than that, you realize that if I input 11,600, 11,800, you will now see indication 2 share. So since I'm going for just 1, I will now click on continue. So you now see this is the estimated charges and all of that. So if you are good with that, you now proceed and you now click on buy now. But for the sake of this tutorial, the buffer amount and the estimated, these are the charges. I don't have up to that. So I need to go back and reduce the amount I want to buy. So I'll now proceed and I'll go for, let me just go for 4,900. So 4,900 means I cannot do this right now. So if that is the case, it means I cannot even buy 1 unit of this share. So what I need to do right now is I need to go and deposit more. So I will now continue from this point. So if you want to deposit, I will not walk you through that procedure, but let me deposit and then I'll come back and I'll proceed and show you how to buy this share. Now this is the continuation of the video. Remember I was having limited fund earlier, so let's proceed. You now go back to your invest. You now scroll down to where we have Nigeria stock. and then you now proceed to where we have Airtel Africa. So these are the list of all the stores that are performing very well. We have Airtel Africa, and then the price for one share today is 5,801 naira 40 kobo. So you now proceed, you now click on buy. So we now proceed to enter 5,001.4 kobo. So this is the exact amount we wish to buy today. So it means that we're buying just one share as indicated below. You now proceed, you click on continue. So now once you continue, you now see we have the buffer amount and then we have the estimated fees. So you now proceed, you now click on buy now. So if you want to buy now, for my own, I want to buy from my Naira Smash account. So if you want to make direct transfer, you now click on the first one, but I'm using the second one. So I will now proceed and click on buy. So you now see your order in progress. So this is how to buy a share. As you can see, now this is how to buy a share. So now once you come to the Airtel Africa, you now click on holdings. You now see that I'm holding one share of Airtel Africa. So this is how to buy a share on this platform. Cowrywise, if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.